Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 10 of the November Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. And today's problem is flipping an image. Give a binary matrix X, you want to flip it horizontally, invert it, and then return the image. Okay. Which way is horizontally? Like left goes to the right, I guess. Okay, I mean, this is pretty straightforward in either case. You could do it either one by one, or you could do it at the same time. It doesn't really matter. You don't even have to even do it in this order technically, because they're independent of each other. You just have to do it, both those operations, and it should be pretty straightforward to do it in, exactly whatever. So, so yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say. So let's get started. Um, let's just do flip invert. Let's say that takes an matrix A, and then we can go something like 4x in range of, is this always a square? I guess so, not always square, but the n, let's go to length of A, for y in range sub n. What we want to do is we want to set A sub x sub y is equal to A sub n minus x minus 1y. No, that's the other one. You want to change the y direction, something like that. And of course, this is gonna mess up because we need to do an actual swap. So let's just do an actual swap. But in this case, we would double count it. So we actually only need this to go to n over 2. Okay. So yeah. So now we didn't do the inverse yet, but let's see if this does what we expect it to do. Well, probably not, because we should at least invert A. Of the quarter function. Okay. So, Oh, I was looking at the expected answer. So this is, looking at the expected answer, it is mostly right, except for that I didn't, this is flip, not invert, but I got the terminology wrong. But either way, but now we just need to invert it, which is pretty straightforward as well, right? Which is just 4x in range of n, 4y in range of n. A sub xy is equal to 1 minus a sub xy to convert it from 0 to 1 and vice versa. So now let's run the code again. Looks okay by the eyeball test. So let me see if there are any 0 case things. I don't think so. Let's give it a go. Yay, easy problem, easy thing. Let me know what you think. This is only a couple of for loops. I don't really know what to say. In terms of space, I do it in place, which I don't know, depending on how you feel. You may or may not, should or should not do it in place. That's how for me, I don't care about it for this problem, but in some cases you might, right? Yeah, but in terms of space, it's going to be, I don't use any extra space. But if you were to make a copy of it, which, to be honest, is probably a better idea, then it would take linear space. And also right now it takes linear time because we look at each cell once, right? Linear time, of course, means it's the linear in the size of the input, and the size of the input is n squared. So it's O of n squared time and O of n squared space if you allocate extra space. That's all I have for this problem. This seems pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to deep into it that much. But if you have questions, let me know, because I could be wrong on my assumptions about that one. Yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye bye.